I really love the summit.
I was able to design a house that ran completely off of the electric grid, just using a renewable energy source of my choice.
My project is about looking at two transcription factors. These are basically proteins that affect gene expression.
It was nerve-wracking up until the moment I started reading.
My project focused on the synthetic mechanism to make acetabol A within the lab using organic techniques.
They've turned into these scientists.
How context matters when looking at educational issues like language.
Perceptions of dating violence in Chile.
I spent the whole semester doing tons of research for it and came up with a 15-minute dance solo piece that I created and performed.
Being able to contribute something to the field that hasn't necessarily been looked at is really important.
Definitely having that voice of a professor, a mentor, and also a professional in the field was really important.
They really take ownership of their project.
I love talking with them week to week and just waiting for what's going to come next.
The atmosphere is hectic, but it's a really great hectic.
There's a lot of energy, a lot of community, there's people's families, and it's just a really positive day.
We learn a lot in such a short period of time.
My favorite moments are just witnessing the joy that the students take in delivering their work and knowing that they've brought it across.
You can definitely tell people have a passion and pride in their work, and that's really inspiring to see.
It's wonderful seeing students, prospective students, accepted students, faculty and staff, and everyone in this one place.
It is inspiring. I walked around and thought to myself, this school is full of such smart people.
And I really put myself into this particular project because it was my thesis. This is my legacy here at Bates.
This is the last major step, besides handing in my actual thesis, of completing this entire journey.
I think it's really the height of the year.
I'm going to go off to Rwanda to work on a Davis project for peace, and then go on to do a Watson fellowship.
I'll be doing immunology and AIDS research at the Reagan Institute of MGH, MIT, and Harvard.
One of my very best thesis students decided to come to Bates while she was visiting at the Mount David Summit.
It's kind of a reflection of how Bates trusts academic work.
And hopefully it won't be the last time that I'm talking about my creative work or presenting my creative work on stage.
I have so much more to read. I have so much more that I can share with everyone.